got this brush here, and they sent this to us so we could show it to you. And what I like to do with this one here, it came in a set of 2, and this one here has the stiffer brushes. That's the Sisal one and then we have this one here with the softer bristles, and I like to use this one on the produce. And so we're going to use this one to clean up our potatoes because we're going to have some baked potatoes today. So hold on one second. Yeah, and just do a little scrubby. Yep, that works well. Yep, and you can see we just do a little scrubby on the potatoes, get them cleaned up so we can do a little baked potatoes. Well, of course, we'll let them dry, and then we'll poke them with a fork and do all that kind of stuff. But it's got a nice, this one has a little bit softer bristle than the other one that came in the set. The other one with the more firm bristles, I like to use that for scrubbing up my pots and pans and dishes and stuff like that, and the air fryer and stuff. But this one here has the softer bristles, so it's much better for the cleaning up produce.
Otherwise, you'd have no skin left. You'd have
on
skinless
the
potatoes.
On the potatoes, yes, on the produce. So, yeah, good stuff. But thanks for sending those. Those are very nice.